Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. Just let me open the keyboard, and all we have to do right now is simply take a look at this option bar and pick the settings. Now let's tap on languages, and here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard, and we've just been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and all you have to do in order to add the keyboard, the language layout to the keyboard is to tap on the language you like to use. So I will pick this one. If you can choose the region, just do the same, just tap on the one you'd like to use and tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, so now we can go back to the keyboard actually, and here we've got two differences. Firstly, the spacebar is not empty anymore, and right now we've got the exact name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will help us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can simply switch to the Assyrian one, I assume. After tapping again, we can switch to the English one. So actually this is how to add new language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove the language, because for some reason you do not need to have two different languages applied. So all you have to do is simply enter the settings again, tap on languages and tap on this edit icon right here. Now simply mark the language you'd like to remove. In my case it will be Assyrian, and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's get back. And as you can see, here we've got firstly an empty spacebar, and we cannot see the globe icon, so it means that we can type only in one language. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.